So yesterday I was teaching to one of my students brainstorming step, which means it's really the very beginning of a project. Because the objective was that we had to make a project in 4 weeks. It's a way to show him how it works. All the 4 or 5 steps of a design process. So the objective was to show the brainstorming, which is just throw your ideas, even if they might be stupid, it's not a big deal. Just throw the ideas on paper, try to be very quick, very sketchy, very funky. Don't be too much worried about a very nice, perfect sketch. It's not the objective. The objective is really to crush ideas. And then at the end of this brainstorming, you can make some selections, select a couple of good ideas, put all the others on the side, and then concentrate on the 2 ideas that you selected to develop them. So this is, and here I was just showing him, look how I do. I took a pen, a few markers on the side, and then I said, okay, so if we have to work on a mini project for future mobility, electric MPV, 8 people, how do we do it? Is it all glass? What type of materials? What type of shapes? This, of course, is going to be autonomous driving, so we don't have a dashboard. We don't have cluster, all that stuff that is very conventional. So you have to start from the architecture. You start from a top plan, and then you make some side views that are like this, very schematic, just to understand more or less proportions and what you can do in that space. And then once you do that, you start having fun. And here we go, we start having fun. I hope this video can help you out. And one more thing, subscribe if you are new, put your like, because this helps a lot this channel. Thanks.